I tell everybody that this is the rarest Model T Ford in the world. Henry Ford commissioned the National Body Company to build 80 bodies for his Model Ts. Target market was doctors and lawyers and people of means that wanted to be able to say that I drive a Model T just like everybody else, but wanted something just a little bit nicer. Of the 80 bodied Model Ts, only 2 were open or convertible cars like this one, and the other one is documented as having been destroyed in a World War II scrap drive. So this is the last remaining example of 2 made, of 80 made, which I believe makes it the rarest Model T Ford in the world.